It's just before 5 in the morning. I'm loaded up and we are headed to Scottsdale up towards Phoenix. This is for, I guess, the quintessential car show of the year so far. This will be a 3-day car show at Good Guys. It's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday event. So I'm headed out there at 5. For me, it's about a 2-hour drive. We're coming into Phoenix. I should land there, 15, 20 minutes. Cool. All right, just landed here. It's kind of a free-for-all, first come, first serve. But I'm next to some vendors across from the autocross, kind of by some food trucks. So hopefully this will be a good spot. So what do you call this thing?
It's a continuous fiber cleaning laser.
And it removes?
Paint, rust, oil, grease, down to the bare metal.
That's cool. Let's have a little spin here. All right, check this out. That's wild. All right, we are starting day 2 of the Good Guys car show. Saturday today. Yesterday was really busy. Today I've heard it's going to be even busier. It's just after 7 o'clock in the morning. It's still kind of early in the morning on day 2. I've actually been invited by someone I just met named Pat. He wants me to come up and do the autocross. He's saying either he can drive it, one of his crew could drive it, or I could drive it. So we're gonna head up there, do a tech spec, and hopefully I don't vomit. All right, we are coming into the autocross. Once the car passed inspection without any issues, there's a form, double-sided. One side basically signing your life away, and the other, of course, signing your car away. waiving any and all liability.
Hey man, that's you?
Yep.
Very cool. How many miles on?
I put like 600 on it. I finished like 3 months ago.
Only the good guys come on down and check it out.
This is the guy who invited us. He's about to go on the course. He's got a few cars here today. We're coming in like 4 or 5 cars. So we got the AOK on the inspection. We did it once over, had signed some forms, and we're good to go.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna give this a go. Once I got up to the line here, one of the track managers came over, kind of gave me a little bit of an explanation. He says, okay, you're here for basically a photo shoot. A lot of people want to see you on the course. He said to take it easy. He asked if I had done something like this before, which I have. I did several courses at the Bondurant track there in Phoenix. He said, but to take it easy in the corners, stay out of the marbles. It's really for show and tell, so to speak, but have fun. And he also said you don't want to be on the other side of pictures with an accident.
It says it's a 63 Corvette Roadster. Full tube body. A lot of fab in that thing. That's kind of cool.
Heck yeah!
Way to go!
What was my time?
31.
31?
I said 30. Yeah, because the tires are cold.
Yeah, I could feel him sliding understeer.
Yeah, he broke loose on the start, but that's, I mean, I think it's cool.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
I mean, if you think about it, you're only, what, a couple seconds off some of the
That's my first time on that course.
It's kind of nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
No, I think it did great. 31, like, well, some of these dudes are pulling 29, so.
31, okay.
First time, I guarantee if you did one more, you'd be at 30 or less.
Oh, this had way more. Yeah. I was way nervous.
Way to go. That was bitching, dude.
Outstanding, man, outstanding.
That was so cool.
I'm still shaking.
I bet.
Oh, that was awesome. Thank you again.
That was so fun.
Okay.
You'll have some good content too. They were all about it, so. I know he was taking.
I didn't even hear the announcer. I was.
Oh no, he was locked in. Yeah. Oh, he was going. He's funny too, so he was talking about it. But
okay.
You'll be on his feed and everything else too, probably.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm still shaking, but that was way fun. They said I did 31 seconds. Top shelf guys are doing like 29, so never been on that course before. First time in this. I would consider that a win. That was way cool. Thanks, Pat. Yeah, a lot of cars around me have left. But we're kind of wrapping up day 2. So tomorrow will be, of course, day 3. Yeah, they weren't joking when they said Saturday was going to be busy. It was maybe twice the people from yesterday. But it was way fun. But great turnout, great feedback. I'm tired. Ugh. Good morning, this is day 3 at the Good Guys Car Show. Just getting everything unloaded at the truck and trailer spot. So we're gonna pull in this morning. Today, I do have a designated parking spot since I won the wild card, best category. Don't know what that means, but we'll find out today.
All right, there's your yellow sheet bag, a sticker, and an instruction sheet.
Okay. All right. Some of the irony to this is the exact spot I parked on Friday. All right, cool. So everybody's wiping their car down, cleaning it up, making it all shiny. I'm probably going to be the dirtiest one here after 3 days of dust. All right, so end of day 3 here. We're getting ready to do this award ceremony, whatever this is going to be. There's about 65, 70 cars here for the winners. They call it the winner's circle. But this show has been a blast. Tons of people. This is like the biggest or second biggest car show in the state of Arizona. Thumbs up to the Good Guys and all their organization who ran this. It was great.
Yeah, just keep it out here where he's at, away from that shaded spot.
Okay.
All right. This morning, but he didn't tell me all that. Oh, you.
Wildcard just got to see it. If you were around yesterday, you may have seen it run around the autocross. It was built by Stripped Down Street Rods. You can find them on Instagram. Leon, he built it. It's out of Tucson, AZ. It's titled as a 1963 Corvette, but it's got a whole bunch of tubes on there. It was a year-and-a-half build. It is one of a kind. It's got a 7-liter, or if you're metric or American, it's a 427 cubic inch LS7 engine. All tube chassis, independent rear suspension, Nito tires with Corvette wheels. Leon, congratulations on your wild card, and thanks for bringing that out. I want to see Pat Shealy partying it next year. He wants to buy one. Mighty Mustang Award.
Just got to the truck and trailer, gonna load up here. That was pretty cool. Go for the award. It's kind of a garage tin idea. Good Guys Southwest Nationals for 2024. This is the wild card category. That's pretty cool. Good times. I'm totally exhausted. I met a ton of people. Pat, Scott, Eric, Kevin. Thanks guys, it's awesome meeting you. This has been a great weekend.